we are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as dysphagia. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the pha syllable, dysphagia. Dysphagia. In American English, however, this is normally said as dysphagia. Dysphagia in American English versus dysphagia in British English. Did you get it? Did you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.